Do you really know how much money your cleaning business is making each week?
Hey there, cleaning boss. Let me ask you, do you really know how much money your cleaning business is making each week? Like after gas, supplies, and worker pay. Do you know what's actually left in your pocket? If your answer is, not really, don't worry. By the end of this series of videos, you'll know exactly how to track your income, expenses, and even your workers' pay in the easiest way possible. No spreadsheets, no stress, just pen, paper, and my Profit Tracker Pro Planner. So grab your coffee, grab your planner, and let's make numbers fun and easy.
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the life. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.
In my earlier videos, I talk about ideas on how to start and promote your cleaning business. If you haven't watched those videos, feel free to check them after you finish watching this video. So now it's time for the next smart step, learning how to track your money. I know, this is the part most people want to skip. It sounds boring, right? But trust me, this is where your business truly grows. When you understand your numbers, you can make smarter decisions, reach your goals faster, and actually see your hard work paying off. That's why I'm breaking this down into 5 simple parts, so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. I'll show you step by step why bookkeeping and accounting are essential for your small business and how to use a simple but powerful tool, my Profit Tracker Pro Planner, to stay on track. Each video will walk you through how to record your income, expenses, gas, mileage, and more, even if you're not a bookkeeping pro. So watch all 5 videos and read each blog. They all connect to help you manage your business like a true boss. Here's why it's so important to track your income, profit, and expenses. It's always good to know your money situation. Clearly see how much you're earning, spending, and keeping so you know if your business is truly doing well. Better budgeting. Plan smarter and avoid overspending by knowing exactly where your money is going. Easier taxes. Save yourself stress during tax season with organized records that help you get all the deductions you deserve. Set and reach goals. Use your numbers to set clear financial goals and track your progress over time. Manage cash flow. Understand when money is coming in and going out, so you're never caught short when bills are due. And it helps grow your business. Regularly reviewing your numbers shows you what's working, what's not, and where you can improve or expand. After years of running my own cleaning business, I've learned just how important it is to stay on top of my finances. I use a planner to manage my daily, weekly, and monthly routines, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. That's why I created the Profit Tracker Pro Daily Business Planner, available now on Amazon. This planner is made for new and experienced service business owners who want to track income, expenses, mileage, and profit margins daily. Stay organized and consistent. Keep a clear snapshot of their business finances. Build healthy financial habits. Stay focused on business growth and stability. It's helped me stay in control of my numbers, and now I want to help you do the same. Now that you understand why tracking your business finances daily is so important, let's dive into how to actually use this planner each day to make your business more efficient and profitable. How to use your small business planner you can purchase on Amazon. This planner was designed to be simple, practical, and ready to use. Just fill in the blanks. Start by writing in the date and then circle the correct day of the week. Example: January 20th falls on a Monday, so you'd circle Monday. How to record daily client earnings. Let's walk through an example to show how it works. Client 1, Yoli Hardy. Client's name, Yoli Hardy. Payment type, circle Zelle for Yoli. Paid via Zelle. Tip received, $15 via Zelle. Service amount, $220. Total payment received, $235, which is $220 for cleaning plus $15 for tip. Then move on to your next client for the day and follow the same steps. Client 2, Andrew Bolt. Client's name, Andrew Bolt. Payment type, Circle Cash for. Andrew paid with cash. Tip received, $10 was cash too. Service amount, $100. Total payment received, $110 for $100 cleaning plus $10 tip. Repeat this process for each client you serve throughout the day. How to total your daily earnings. In the total daily earnings area, add up all the payments you received. Using our example, Zelle, $220 from Yoli, cash, $100 from Andrew, check card. No payments today via check or card, so leave these blank. Total tips, $15 from Yoli plus $10 from Andrew equals $25. You now have a clear record of how much money you made and how you were paid for each different job. Tracking worker earnings. If you have employees or independent contractors, it's important to record their daily earnings too. This way, at the end of the week, you'll know exactly how much to pay them. Plus, you'll have a full monthly and yearly record for tax purposes. Do this for each worker every workday. Pro tip: share your client tips with your workers. It's a simple gesture that shows appreciation and motivates your team. I will also create a video tutorial that shows you how to calculate, track, and record your workers' payday using this planner, and an inexpensive general purpose receipt book. Look out for this video in series number 5. Before we wrap up, I know you probably have a few questions. That's why I always include a quick Q&A section at the end of my videos and blogs. They're here to help you connect the dots and apply what you've learned right away. Because I want you to feel confident running your business, not overwhelmed by it. Question number 1. Why should I track my income daily instead of weekly or monthly? Tracking your income daily keeps your numbers accurate and fresh in your mind. You'll spot trends faster, like which clients pay on time, which days are busiest, or how tips fluctuate. Plus, it makes weekly and monthly summaries so much easier to total up later. 2. What's the simplest way to record my client payments? Use your planner or notebook as a daily log. Write each client's name, payment type, Zelle, cash, check, etc., service amount, and tip. That's it. A few seconds per client helps you build a full record of your earnings without needing fancy software. 3. How can this help me during tax season? Having your income and expenses organized saves hours of stress. You'll be ready to hand over clear records to your tax preparer or do it yourself, and you'll qualify for all the deductions you deserve, like mileage, cleaning supplies, and equipment. 4. I'm not good with numbers. How do I make this easier? You don't need to be an accountant. The key is consistency, not perfection. Just fill out your planner daily and review it weekly. Over time, you'll get more comfortable with your numbers and even start enjoying tracking your business growth. 5. How do I track tips separately from my regular income? In your planner, list the tip next to each client and total all tips at the bottom of the page. This helps you see how much extra you're earning and also lets you share those tips fairly with your helpers if you have any. Question number 6. Should I track how my clients pay? Zelle, cash, check, etc. Yes. Knowing your payment methods helps with organization and security. For example, Zelle and card payments are automatically traceable, while cash needs to be recorded carefully so nothing gets lost or forgotten. 7. What's the best way to track my workers' pay? Each day, record your worker's name and how much they earned. At the end of the week, total it up for payday. This keeps everyone accountable and makes tax reporting simple at year's end. 8. What happens if I forget to track for a few days? No worries. Just go back through your messages, payments, or appointment calendar and fill in the missing days. Try not to let it pile up. Make it a habit to log everything at the end of each workday. And question number 9. How does the Profit Tracker Pro Planner help with all this? It's designed to make everything easy and visual. Each page has space for daily earnings, payment types, tips, and worker pay, plus sections for weekly and monthly totals. No spreadsheets or complicated math required. Just fill in the blanks and stay organized. Let's make managing your business finances simple and stress-free. Ready to level up on your journey as a true boss. So remember, tracking your income isn't just paperwork, it's power. Every number you write down tells the story of your growth. Keep learning, stay bona fide, authentic, and always keep that willingness to grow. The link to this video, full blog content, is in the description, where you can go read and make notes at your own pace. I'll see you in part 2, where we'll dive into how to track your business mileage the easy way. Don't forget to share this video with another cleaning boss who needs it. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you in the next one.